Blur, shake, transition, alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion and waiting for the app to load completely. After that, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. Once the settings are ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project opens, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footage that you want to use. When the footage has been added to the timeline, select the footage layer and go to the Effect option. Press Add Effect to open the effect library and browse through the available categories. After that, go to the Move/Transform category. Inside this section, find and select Auto Shake. Once Auto Shake is selected, several presets will appear. From the preset list, choose Transition In. This preset is designed to create a shake animation that works well as a transition effect. After adding the Auto Shake effect, begin adjusting the magnitude value. The magnitude setting controls how strong the shake effect appears on the footage. Increase or decrease the value until you find a shake intensity that matches the style you want. Once the magnitude value is set, continue adjusting the other available settings inside the Auto Shake effect. Keep modifying the values until you find a combination that fits your project and creates the motion you are looking for. After the shake effect is configured, open the effect browser again so you can add another effect to the same footage layer. Browse through the effect categories and find motion blur. Once you locate the motion blur effect, add it to your footage. The motion blur effect works together with the shake animation and helps create a smoother transition by adding blur to the movement. With both auto shake and motion blur applied to the footage, the transition gains more speed and visual impact. Continue adjusting the effect settings until the movement and blur look the way you want.